Good morning students. 7th class science. Now we will start chapter number 6, physical and chemical changes. Before the starting of physical and chemical changes, you should know about what are the reversible and irreversible changes. Firstly, I will tell you that. Reversible and irreversible changes. First is reversible changes. From name we can tell the changes which can be reversed. The changes which can be reversed, that are called reversible changes. What is the meaning of this thing which can be reversed? Means which thing you can obtain again and again, which change you can do again and again, that are called reversible changes. For example, ice. When you will melt that ice, you will heat the ice, it will convert into the water. Again the same water, when you will keep in freezer, then it will convert into the ice. Means again and again you can convert ice into water, water into ice. These type of changes are called reversible changes, which can be reversed by reversing the condition. What is the meaning of this line, by reversing the condition? Means firstly, when you will give heat, then it will convert into the water. When you will give cool or you will freeze, then it will convert into the ice. What are the conditions here? Here condition is heat, here condition is you will freeze it or you will give cooling to them. Now see, you can see from the book, the change which can be reversed by reversing the condition are called reversible changes. Some examples are given. First example is conversion of ice into water. Ice you can convert into the water. How? By heating. That of water into ice, how? By cooling. Next is glowing of bulb. When you will on the bulb, then it will start glowing. When you will switch off the button, then it will stop glowing. Next is stretching of rubber band. Rubber band, when you will stretch it, then it will when you will compress it, then it will become small. When you will stretch it, then it will becomes big. Next is plowing a field. You can plow it with the help of a plow. Next is the change, and again also you can plane it. Next is the change which cannot be reversed by changing the conditions. That changes are called irreversible changes. What are the irreversible changes? Which cannot be reversed. Which cannot be reversed by changing the condition. Means once if that change occur, you can't get the original substance back. That type of changes are called irreversible changes. Like you are having raw vegetable. When you will cook that vegetable, again can you get from cooked vegetable that raw vegetable? No, we can't again get from cooked vegetable raw vegetable. So this type of change is called irreversible changes. Like if you will burn the paper, now our paper is burnt, can you get the original paper back from that burnt paper? No, we cannot get. So these type of changes are called irreversible changes. See, they are given examples: burning of paper or burning of wood. When we burn the paper or when we burn the wood, it will give ash and smoke. We cannot obtain the paper back from the ash and the smoke. Aging of living beings means firstly, when you born, you was a little baby. Now you are about like 14 years or 15 years. Can you again becomes of 1 year or 2 year? No, this change cannot be reversed. Next is change of milk into curd. Once milk is converted into the curd, you cannot get again milk from that curd. Growth of plants. Plant, firstly it is a seed. From seed we are growing the plant, then it will become small plant, baby plant, then it will become big plant, then it will becomes tree. Again from tree we can't get the small plant. Rusting of iron, you cannot get back the iron from the rust by the simple process. Thank you.